Alana. Alana. What you doing? Yeah.
Hey. Lana. Who's so funny? You funny? You funny?
Who's funny? Who's funny, Ma?
One minute. One more. Have enough?
Where you going?
They were auntie. I want to go to the car and look for your cup. And I had something for auntie too.
Funny girl. Where you going?
That was Nicole. I was just talking to Beverly's sister.